Meaning of frenulum.
Fraenulum.
Frenulum.
Frenulum.
Frenulum. The frenulum is a small band of tissue located in various parts of the body. There are several types of frenulum present in the human body, including the lingual frenulum under the tongue, the labial frenulum in the lips, and the frenulum of the penis. The frenulum of the penis, also known as the penile frenulum or the male frenulum, is a sensitive band of tissue that connects the underside of the penis to the foreskin. It is an erogenous zone that can contribute to sexual pleasure.